To zoom in and out in Adobe Illustrator, you go to View, then you click on Zoom In, then you can click again, or you go to Zoom Out and click it to zoom out. And there is another way of zooming out and in by going to the status bar here. You can see that percentage zoom. If you clicked on the arrow, you can choose a number. Let's select 100%. You see that the artboard is filling the screen, and we can choose, of course, different numbers here. You can try that yourself and play around with it. Also, a more efficient way to zoom in and out in Adobe Illustrator is using the shortcut. Using a shortcut, which is clicking on the Alt keyword, then with your mouse wheel scroll in or scroll out. So I think this is more easier for you to control the artboard. And if you want to move the artboard to your left or right, you go to those arrows here and click on them this way, up and down, and here right and left, or you can use a better method, which is clicking on the space keyword from your keyboard. You have a hand here, it will appear. Then with your mouse, click and grab the artboard and move it wherever you want. For example, I want to zoom in to that circle. I click on Alt, place my cursor on top of the circle and zoom in. See that it's zooming to the circle. Let's zoom out. If I wanted to zoom to that shape, for example, just put your cursor on the top, then Alt or Option in Mac, then scroll forward with your scroll wheel that way. Then if I want to see those shapes in the top, I can simply use the space keyword. With that grabber or that hand, I grab the artboard and move it that way. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.